In a previous video, we showed how you could connect your extended monitor to your HP laptop. This video will show how you can add the dock cam so that you can show written content to your students in your Google Meets. Let's take a look at how this all connects. On the back of the Aver cam, you'll have one port that you can connect to with the cable that was provided. On the docking station, you want to find a USB port. There are 4, 2 on the side and 2 in the back. Take the cable and plug it into one of them. This will power on. A red light will indicate that the dock cam is receiving power. Press the power button and this light will flash. When it turns green, it is ready to go. You also have autofocus, rotation, zooming in and out, as well as a light. This dock cam has an adjustable arm that goes down and up, as well as an adjustable head, which can be rotated. Once you have the green light on, your dock cam is ready to go. The next step will be to open up the AverTouch software on your computer. On your laptop, click the AverTouch to open up the software. Once the software opens, you'll see this indicating that your camera is connected. Click this button to get started. Now here you can see on my screen that my notebook is sideways. That is because I have not taken the opportunity to change the head of my dock cam. So I can either do one of two things. I can rotate this head at the top, and that will rotate it on my screen here. The other option would be to move my dock cam to the top of my notebook. Now that my dock cam is over my written material, it is that way on my screen. How you choose to set up your dock cam is up to you. The next thing you're going to want to do is move the touchscreen software to your extended monitor. To do that, hold your mouse and slide it over. If you want to see this larger, you can press the square in the upper corner to maximize the screen. And then it will take up the whole screen. On this screen, I'm going to open up my Meet, and now I'm going to present to my students. So when I choose Present Now, I'm going to choose a window, and I'm going to choose the Aver window right here. This will share this window with my students in the Meet. This will be the student view, so you can see anything that I write on the notebook will be projected for my students. And if I need to see if it's looking correct for my students, I can reference it on the extended monitor to my left. Something to remember. In your Google Meet, if your students tell you that they cannot hear you, you need to go to Settings and ensure that the microphone is the microphone array Intel Smart Sound technology. This is the microphone that is attached to the dock cam because the dock cam does have the ability to record. In addition, your video should be your HP HD camera on your Google Meet so that your students can see you if you have your camera on. So remember, if your students say they cannot hear you, it is possible that the microphone needs to be checked in your Google Meet. Make sure that this is the microphone that is selected. Your dock cam does have some settings on the software. The snowflake indicates the ability to freeze. This will freeze the screen so you can swap out any other materials without students seeing what you're doing. This pencil will allow you to annotate right on the screen. You've got an eraser, a highlighter, and a pen. When the pen is selected, you can write on your screen. Use the eraser or clear to clear the whole screen. The highlighter does allow you to choose a color, thickness, and opacity. This icon will take a screenshot and it will show you where it's been saved. This icon allows you to record. If you want to record the content that you're sharing with students, you can do so. If you have a Meet open, the DocCam microphone may take that over, so you need to be careful about that. However, if you are recording a lesson here that you want to show to students and share in a video later, that will absolutely work for you. This will allow you to take a snippet, different type of screenshot. It is adjustable. And again, it will save it to your computer. This is your focus button. You do have quick autofocus here, on and off. This icon allows you to split the screen. To use split screen, add a file, find the item you want to add, and click open. Select the item that you want to add to your split screen and click the check mark. You'll now have a split screen. To remove split screen, click the split screen, uncheck the item, and you're back to your regular view. This icon will rotate your image. This icon will zoom for you, so you can zoom in a little more, as well as zoom out. And you can make adjustments up and down, as well as left and right. So this gives you a little bit more control than the zooming in on the actual DocCam. The final icon will allow you to hide the toolbar and to access it quickly as needed. You do have some settings up here. Under camera, you will see some information on the camera. If you want to adjust the brightness, camera mode. Display is where you can change how your toolbar looks. So if there are some tools you don't intend to use, you can actually click on them here to remove them from your toolbar. Once you click Done, they will be removed from your toolbar. You can always get them back by coming back to Display. You also have the ability to turn on a timer. With the timer, you can adjust it by clicking on it, and you can adjust the minutes here, as well as the seconds. Hit the play button, hit this to start, and you'll have a countdown timer right on your DocCam. You can pause, as well as start again. Record will have information regarding the microphone and the format if you're planning to use this to record.